Hi friends, this is a 3D, 3-dimension chapter, example 11. Find the shortest between the line L1 and L2, whose equations are, vector equation is given. So through that we have to find, first let's write the formula, distance formula. B1 vector cross B2 vector. We have to find B1 vector cross product, B2 vector dot A2 minus A1, the points vector whole divided by this B1 vector cross B2 vector modulus, and we have to take only positive values. So determinant. Distance means take positive value, correct? That's all. Now, what is A1 B1? What is A2 B2, sir? So for that, you should know that general format. Any R vector can be written as A1 is the point. So A1 plus lambda B1. Understand? So this is your A1. This is your B1. And R vector is equal to A2 plus mu beta 2. So A2 is your point and B2 is your parallel ratios, direction ratios. Now understand what is B1. First your duty to find B1 vector cross B2 vector. Cross product. How to do cross product? I, J, K. B1 vector. B1, what are the values in the B1? This is B1, correct? So B1 we have 2, minus 1, 1. These are the values in the B1. Okay. B1 vector. 2, minus 1, 1. What is B2 vector? 3, minus 5, 2. This is your B2 vector. So find I, determinant we have to find. Take a row and column. Leave row and column, cross multiply this. Minus 2, minus or minus 5. So how much? Minus 2, minus or minus 5, plus 5. Minus j. Now leave the first row, second column. 2 2s are 4, minus 3. K vector. Leave the first row, last column. Minus 10, minus or minus. Minus 10, plus 3. So our final answer become 3i minus j minus 7k. How to find modulus? No? So you have to take square root of 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 7 square. How do you get? This is 9 plus 1 plus 49. So 59. Root of 59. Okay. Now we have to do dot product. So what is B1 cross B2 vector? B1 vector cross B2 vector is a vector 3i minus j minus 7k. You have to dot product with the A2 minus A1 vector. What is your A2? A2, this is A2 minus A1 vector. Okay. So how to do A2 minus A1 vector? A2 minus A1 vector you have to find and substitute, and dot product you have to find. So A2 is your 2i minus plus j minus k. This is your A2 vector. Minus, what is A1 vector? I plus j. Now remove the bracket and find A2 minus A1 vector. When you remove the bracket, 2i minus I, you got I. Plus j minus j, cancel. 0j. Minus k as it is. So that you have to substitute here. I plus 0j minus k. You have to do dot product. And denominator modulus of b1 vector, b2 vector is nothing but 59. Square root of 59. How to do the dot product? Only I you have to dot. Here 3, here 1. So 3 into 1. Minus 1 into 0. K minus 7 into minus 1. Divided by root of 59. 3 minus or minus plus 7. So numerator I have 10 by root 59. This is the distance between two lines. Understand, dear students? For question to find distance, shortest distance between the line L1 and L2 whose vector equations are given. The vector equation format A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector and A2 vector plus mu B2 vector. So just apply the formula, then we find it. Understand, dear students? So these are A1, A2 are the points. B1, B2 are the parallel vectors. Kirtika, why are you late?